Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a four-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, compass, trip odometer. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.